an example of finding the geometric mean. The setup of geometric mean looks like this. It's basically 24 over x equals x over 48. These are your extremes, the two ends, and this is your mean. And so basically it breaks down to the cross product. X squared equals 24 times 48. Now we can go ahead and multiply that and we get 1,152. But watch this. How am I going to solve for x? I'm going to take the square root of both sides. That's going to give me x equals the square root of 24 times 48. Well, I'm going to have to simplify that anyway. So instead of going to 1,152, let's leave it like that and go ahead and break this down. So that I have x equals, all right, you can do the factor trees, but in the end, what you'll have is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. This breaks down, it's the same as 24. All right, times, and let's break down 48. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, times 3. There you go. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 3 is 48. So all of this, now I can look for my pairs. Every set of 2, what I started saying is the 2 become 1. They get married. 1 gets to come out. So every pair, 1 gets to come out. A 2 is coming out there. Here's a pair. Do you see it? Another 2 is coming out. Here's a pair. Another 2 is coming out. And check it out. I have a pair of 3s. So 1's coming out. So I have a 2, a 2, a 2, and a 3 coming out. A 2, a 2, a 2, and a 3 coming out. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. So I have 24 on the square root of what was left in here, just this little old 2. And that would be your answer. So geometric mean is x squared equals AB, or you can look at it as x equals the square root of AB, which would be taking that one more step. Okay, in the next video, we'll look at this in an example with triangles. Good job.